boost your self-esteem beyond belief. Hi there, everyone. Robert Zink here, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We're talking about self-confidence today. We're focusing on your self-esteem. You know, when your self-esteem is low, it's like you can't do anything. It's like nothing works for you. But when your self-esteem is strong and powerful and your energy field is blasting in every direction, it's like nothing goes wrong. You have the Midas touch. You can turn anything into gold. You have the incredible power to have and enjoy the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. You have no boundaries. You have no limits. There is nothing stopping you except low self-esteem or lack of confidence. Okay, perhaps you've been slapped around a little bit, and maybe your self-esteem is waning a little bit. I'm going to share with you eight techniques, secrets, if you will, that will help you, absolutely help you boost your self-confidence and boost your self-esteem beyond belief. Number one, high flyers, listen to me, please. Pause for a moment. You have nothing to prove to anyone. Absolutely nothing. Nada. This is your time. You are here to experience life on your path, your journey. This is your journey. So there's nothing to prove to anyone. And the body you have, the mind you have, these are all decisions that were made before you were born. You have no control over that. Can I say it? I'm going to say it. Listen to me now. This is a little bit cutting edge for some people. It goes against the grain. It's a new belief. You are perfect. Okay, maybe you're 5 pounds overweight. Maybe you don't have as much hair as you'd like. Maybe you're not quite as tall as you'd like. That doesn't make you any less perfect. The universe doesn't create anything that isn't perfect. Everything in the universe is absolutely perfect. Say it right now. I am perfect. And the things that you want to modify or change, take action and change them. And the things that you don't want to modify, or perhaps you feel you can't, such as your height, hey, there it is. I'm perfect. I'm perfect at 6'9". I'm perfect at 5'3". Either way, I'm absolutely perfect. There are so many people that they're suffering from this imperfection disease almost in our society. I've got to change my hair color every day. I've got to do this. I've got to do that. And that's okay. That's fun. And you have that power. But understand, underneath it all, you're perfect. Look, nobody likes buying clothing and jewelry like I do. I love new clothing, new jewelry. But I understand that the clothing does not make me perfect. The universe has made me perfect. Say it again. I am perfect. Secondly, I think it's important, if you want to really boost your self-esteem to its highest level, to have powerful, confidence-building affirmations that you can use all the time, every day. I am unique. I don't want to be like everyone else. I want to be unique. I am love. I'm not just loved, I am love. Love flows through me. Love flows around me. Love comes to me. I give love out. I am love. I'll say that. Doesn't that feel good? I am love. It just feels so wonderful. Your vibration, you can just feel it. It's I hate to use this word. It's yummy. It feels good. I am relaxed and comfortable in any environment. I am relaxed and comfortable in any environment. Okay, I'm going in to see the big guy, the guy that started the company. I'm relaxed and comfortable in any environment. I'm going on my first date with this woman. I didn't think I'd have a chance. I'm relaxed and comfortable in any environment. Number 3 on my list for boosting your self-esteem and your personal confidence beyond belief is connect more with people that you love. When you are around people that you love, people that are non-judgmental, people that are happy for your success, it's good energy. It's perfect. It's the kind of atmosphere and environment you want to surround yourself with as often as you possibly can. It strengthens your confidence and your self-esteem. Number 4 is reinvent yourself. Sometimes we need to do this. Sometimes we need to sit down and reinvent ourselves. And that's okay. I have reinvented myself several times in my life. One time, and this was many years ago, by the way, I was talking with a fellow businessman, and he said, "How many lifetimes have you lived, Robert?" And that was 20 years ago, he said that. So I'm constantly looking for ways to reinvent myself, to improve myself, to take myself to my highest potential. Never compare yourself with others. Number 5. That's just a given. There's no benefit in it. There's no payoff in comparing yourself with others. Now, you can look at others and say, oh, they're doing it this way. I'm going to emulate that because, I didn't say copy, I said emulate because it's working and I want it to work for me as well. And every great actor can tell you of a great actor that inspired them. Every great writer can tell you of a great writer that inspired them. Every great artist can tell you of a great artist that inspired them. But they don't compare themselves. They understand that this is their journey. This is their path. This is solo, their life. And they're living it. And they're learning where they can from other people, but they refuse to compare. And as a result, they have powerful self-confidence and wonderful self-esteem. Next is exercise and eat clean. Eat as clean as you possibly can. A plant-based diet is essential. I'm not going to push veganism on you or anything else, but a plant-based diet, and if you're going to eat meat, eat clean meat. Okay, don't eat something that has hormones in it and everything else. Number 7, I don't know if anything is more important than this. Connect with source energy. Whatever you believe the creator of the universe is, it is within you as well. And so by quieting your spirit, your interior spirit, taking that deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and just centering yourself, connecting with source. When you feel source energy pouring through you and around you, your confidence is high as it can possibly get. Your self-esteem is overflowing because you have the very source of creation and life pouring through you, and you're connected with it. And I would say number 8, this is really important for some of you. Some of you may be going through some tough times. You may be struggling financially. You could be going through a breakup right now. You may be having health issues. Remember, you are not your circumstances. You are not your circumstances. You are an eternal being having a physical experience. You are perfect from the beginning. You will be perfect in the end. You are not your circumstances. You are a human becoming, constantly evolving, constantly changing, constantly growing. You are absolutely beautiful the way you are. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Have a wonderful day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.